this morning, I looked outside my window with children lighting up the
show you guys the tree and all the items that we're going to put on the tree. As you guys can see, Andre has already started placing stuff on the tree, which are these little ornaments here that I got from Target that look like the what it is, what do you call it? Coyote wood. I mean coyote fur. So we have already started putting those on there, but we got to go back and put them on the right way. But I did add more lights, make it even look like it's more fuller of lights. I just put them up like in the areas that you guys will see like here, and I just ran them up and down and back up and stuff like that. For the ornaments that I'm going to use, try to pull off this little glamorous tree, this little rustic glamorous and winter blues. That's my theme of my tree. So I have all my ornaments, my blues, small, big ones, little ones, glass, no glass, you know, the DIYs, the mirror ones. These here came out of the bigger bin. Andre took all the ones out that I got from the at-home store. Then I have some of these little decorative balls. Those all are ornaments, some of them not. You know, those are the same, but those are glass. Some more picks, some flowers, some more picks. You hear them back there. Some more picks. These from Z Gallery. These from Pier 1. I got to go get the rest of those. Now, these are regular decorative ball. I think I'm going to try to use some of them on the tree for ornaments as well. But, yeah, so this is everything. This is the before of the tree. Take it all in. And I will show you guys the Kings. So here is my Rustic Glam and Winter Blues Christmas tree reveal.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air that every child.
Alright, so here for my tree topper, I put all the picks that I could have placed up here without actually making the tree fall. Because you guys know I could be heavy-handed at times. But all the picks that I do have are from Hobby Lobby, like the navy blue picks there. The pine cones picks are from the Joann's fabric. The little foxtail here, the ones that sticking out, the little beady ones right here, are from Pier 1. The silver ones are from the at-home store. This little thicker pick here is from Joann's fabric. Then I have some Hobby Lobby picks right here. And these here are from the Dollar Tree. So I have them sporadically spread out around the tree topper, which I am totally in love with. So basically what I did for one side, I did for the opposite sides. You guys know how I do. And I just have 3 of the navy blue roses up to the top. So I really love how all this looks. Okay, so moving on down here, first thing you guys see here is this Let It Snow, the galvanized wording that I got from the Dollar Tree. It actually was on a little wall plaque that they had, and I took it off to go along with some more galvanized wording that they do have. And as you all can see, my gorgeous tree, I did a lot of ornaments. I did no ribbons this year, just ornaments and picks. You guys have seen all the gloriness of my beautiful Rustic Glam and Winter Blues tree. I want to tell you guys about the ornaments because they are affordable, very affordable. A lot came from the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Burlington. We have some some from Z Gallery, a little bit expensive, but you know, you got them on clearance, so there wasn't that much. Um, then I think, did I say Hobby Lobby? Then, oh, as well as some DIYs also. So like for this ornament here, it really not an ornament. It is the decorative ball that I showed you guys in the beginning. And then we have these little ornament here from Big Lots. This one from Burlington. We have some picks from the Dollar Tree as well. So everything is very affordable on my tree. These little poinsettias here are from Z Gallery. I wish I love them. I love them because they have a different texture and a different little look, more like the little champagne goldish look, but not too gold or anything like it, just enough to give like to go with the rustic. So I am loving those, loving those. Then I have some of my little faux diamonds as little icicles, drops, or whatever, hanging off the end of the tree. So I love that look as well. Just a little touch of more glam, like these gorgeous ornaments here that I got from Burlington as well. But I love it. I love it. I love it. Here's my little gorgeous, what I call it, Chanel ornament. I really do love that. And I got those little buckles from Totally Dazzle. And speaking of Totally Dazzle, I do have some more ornaments that I did make with Totally Dazzle Bling, which are these little gorgeous ones here with the little snowflakes. And I love them, love them. Now this whole little section here is from Z Gallery. This little perfume bottle ornament. I got this at least about 3 years ago, I believe. And then this little sparkle one here that sits up in the tree, which I totally love how that look because of the light bounce up off of it. And that's what I did with a lot of my blingy ornaments, things that sparkle other than the ones that are big and all. I placed them up in the tree so therefore they can reflect more of the light to give the tree a little much fuller look, and it sparkles from any angle. Now how I started to place my ornaments on my tree, I went from the biggest to small, biggest, medium, and to the small. And I just spread them all the way out instead of just starting off with all the big ones to the bottom of the tree, then moving up towards the middle with the medium size, and then so on. So because I wanted this equal amount of look of the tree, if that makes sense, you know, I didn't want it to look like it was just a routine. You know, I did want it to look like, okay, I just opened the box and just rip it open and the ornaments just fell all over the tree. That's basically how I have it. Now the ones that I do have here that you guys may ask about are these little faux fur ones here, the little coyote fur. I got those from Target about 3 years ago, I believe, or maybe 2. And all of them are different letters, and those are representing my family name. Like this D here is for my husband name, or his nickname Dre, because him and my son share the same name. And then I have this one down here, just a furry ball here, no letter or nothing like that. But then I finally found one with my initial. So I really love it, love it, love it, love it. I love my tree, I really do. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. Now let's take a moment and look at my tree skirt. Now for my tree skirt, it is another affordable item, which is a tablecloth. It's a tablecloth that I had from my wedding. So I had about 5 years now, and I just had it up in storage or whatever. And so I was so happy that I didn't have to go buy nothing, because I really didn't want to buy anything other than the blue ornaments. So that's worked out best for me, and it is actually a round one, so that's why it looked like it curving around the tree. And I just placed some pillars or whatever up on it, so therefore it looked like it's just sitting directly on top of it. Just look fluffy and just a fuller look, because the flat look nowadays is really just tired and bored now. So you want a little more texture, a little more depth, you know, just make it look more real if you're going for a fake tree like myself. So this is my gorgeousness. This is Rustic Glam and Winter Blues.
Memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town.
So I hope you all enjoy my reveal of my Rustic Glam and Winter Blues Christmas tree that I have here in my living room. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy once again, and I will talk to you all in the next video. You guys be blessed and continue.